A very good evening to our distinguished guest, Ms. Aishwarya, a young, bright future for our country. I see that. Our honorable guest, Principal TJIS, Chhatrapati Shambhaji Nagar, Ms. Shikha Srivastava, parents, students, teachers. For me, this is a great honor to be amongst you all. I've heard a lot about your school's annual days. It gives me pleasure to be part of this celebration. But being an academician, you know that. Teachers, at home you people say, teacher bolti bahut hai. Teachers are teachers. No matter which position you are in, we are teachers. It's in our blood. We are teachers not only by profession, but it is in our blood. I came with a totally clear mindset. I checked with Shikha madam. Madam, is there anything important I need to speak about? She said, ma'am, as you wish. I think I have been here for the last 2 hours. While sitting, I observed few things and immediately thought, let me give my message through 2 important short stories. Don't worry. We are ahead of time. I checked with Shikha ma'am. I'm one person who doesn't believe in even deviation of 1 minute. Forget about 5 minutes. I won't be taking that kind of a time. Stories will be very short, very crisp. But I request each one of you to please listen. The first story is that of a butterfly. I'm sure some of you must have heard it as well. It might be a repetition of the story. All of you have seen the beautiful butterflies? Can I have a yes? Only my students are saying, parents, you didn't see a butterfly? Did you see a butterfly ever? Parents, did you ever see a butterfly? Yes, thumbs up. Thanks to COVID. Online classes, thumbs up. Okay, good. I got a lot of thumbs up. The beautiful, colorful butterfly. We all love it. We like to see it. We adore it. Now let's keep that butterfly as our own child. That butterfly doesn't become so beautiful and so lovely and can fly so high if we start interfering. And here is the story. So there was a man sitting with his son trying to give some science lesson and showed that how the butterfly comes out from the cocoon. Okay? So that egg, then it larva, and then becomes the cocoon. And then they both were seeing that parents are, I think if you are a parent, your emotions are the strongest. I always believe in it. Because when you become a parent, you don't have to get any degree. You are a parent the moment your child is born. And you are the most emotional creature. So that son and father, they were seeing the butterfly, the cocoon. Then they saw that there was something trying to come out of that cocoon. The father, full of emotions, told the son, I think this creature requires our help. थोड़ी सी मदद करते हैं इसको. उसको ना वो cocoon को, bring a pencil, let's help it out. And the father and the son, they both helped the colorful butterfly to come out of the cocoon. And you know what? The butterfly could never fly. It could never fly. Because that's the law of nature. That struggle, when the butterfly is trying to struggle and come out of that cocoon, that is the struggle which makes the butterfly strong to fly. What did I say? Let's keep the butterfly as our own children. I think the message is strong enough for all of you to understand Help your child, but not to an extent where the child is unable to go ahead in life. The world is not going to be sweet. No one has given bed of roses for any one of us. But this generation parents, I'm in this education field for the last 30 years, 30. And the change of parents' mindset is so very different from what it used to happen when I had joined my school as a teacher in 1994. Parents don't want the child to fall. The practice, the things which we saw on the field, it doesn't happen in a classroom. The child has to fall. The child has to rise. Be there. But don't do spoon feeding for your child. I hope I have made sense. It is like these days, people will say, अरे ये मैडम लोगों को माइक दे दो, ये कुछ भी ज्ञान देती रहती हैं. I am a mother. I am a mother of a 30-year-old son. I have gone through every level of struggle, what a parent goes through, what an educationist go through. Then I have the courage to stand here. If I ask half of you here, what do you want your child to be? IIT चला जाए. मेरा बच्चा IIT चला जाए, कम से कम. मेरा बेटा IIT से PhD करके आया है. अब आप बोलो. IIT से PhD करके आया है. MTech शिखा मैम नोज. अभी आप IIT की क्या बात कर रहे हो? IITian की मदर खड़ी हुई है यहाँ पर. IITian की मदर खड़ी हुई है, आपको बता रही है कि प्लीज डोंट गिव undue support to your child. Let him fall. Let him get up. Today I am here. The child has to take care. I mean, he's no more a child. He's a grown-up man. But कभी तो बच्चा था. कभी तो हम स्कूल के बाहर जाते थे. The children have to be taught to be on their own, but stand there and keep seeing what they are doing. When I say stand there, बस खड़े ही मत होना, कभी गिर जाए तो उठा भी लेना, first aid लगा देना, but don't be always there. Next is, teacher ने डांटा, हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. मैं तो टीचर हूँ, मेरा बेटा तो बेचारा वैसे ही विक्टिम है, घर में भी डांट पड़ती है, टीचर से भी डांट पड़ती है. उसको यही नहीं पता होता कि टीचर ने डांटा कि मम्मा ने डांटा. But then, to make him reach there, that firmness was required. It doesn't happen by giving bed of roses कि बेटा भाई खा लो टाइम पे, एक्स्ट्रा क्लास मत जाओ, कुछ भी मत करो, तुम IIT पहुंच जाओ, तुम एम्स पहुंच जाओ. It doesn't happen overnight. So this was one story. Don't try to create a culture or an atmosphere for your child wherein the child doesn't know how to stand. Sorry to say, I was seeing some children. This event, if I ask Shika ma'am, this chairs and all is kept for parents or students also? She said only parents. If I was in your place, I would have never allowed my child to sit on the chair and another parent standing there. That's how parenting is. You don't have to speak about it. No one teaches these things. This is what happens. The next story is that of a parrot. Okay, there was a king, went to a jungle, lost his way. He was all decked up, nice jewelry. He went on, Raja लोग तो ऐसे ही थे, बड़े महाराज थे. पहुँचे, they went near, that king lost the way and went near a hut. The moment it reached there, the king was about to knock the door. The parrot started shouting. बहुत सारे गहने पहना है, पकड़ लो इसको, नोचो, मारो इसको, पीटो, पकड़ लो. The king immediately thought, I have reached somewhere where there are dacoits. Immediately he ran away from that place. Okay, that parrot was saying he didn't even knock the door. He moved out. The next is, he was riding, tired. He reached one another place. Again there was a parrot. The parrot said, अतिथि आए हैं, दरवाज़ा खोलो, उनको खाना दो, उनको पानी दो. The king was very impressed. He went, he opened the door, he saw that the door was that of a sage. साधु संत का घर था. Need I say more? आप जो सिखाओगे वही बाहर आएगा. That's how the world is. When the king asked the sage, what is the difference? The parrot told, not the sage. The parrot said, we are born from the same family. We both are parrots. It's the culture which we are taught. Whatever has been taught at my place, I speak that. Whatever that other parrot has heard, will speak that. Parents, you are fortunate that you have a school which gives you values, culture, everything you ask for. I think in the JGI family, there are many schools I keep going. But Aurangabad is one place. I'm sorry, TJIS, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Right, Shika madam? Sambhaji Nagar, this school holds a very high opinion amongst all the JGI family. The reason is all the stakeholders, the management, the parents, the students, the teachers. So let's clap for all the stakeholders of this family. Let me hear it louder. I just told a story. Your children are looking at you. They will do what you do. When your school's name comes, automatically it should be a sense of pride. For me, this is an occasion to interact with the parents, to know the pulse of the parents. I was very impressed the way the performances have been done. And thanks to each parent who was ready to make the child come out of the comfort zone. The moment it is told it is sports day, you know the child is going to stand in the sun, the child will have to run, the child will have to perform. But you want to have your child as a colorful butterfly, not putting in a cocoon, but making the child spread the wings. I would like to take your leave with just 4 lines, a signature statement of mine. Many of you know about me. बहुत ध्यान से सुनिएगा. हदी शहर से निकली तो गांव-गांव चली. हदी शहर से निकली तो गांव-गांव चली. कुछ यादें मेरे संग पाँव-पाँव चली. सफ़र जो धूप का किया तो ये तजुर्बा हुआ. सफ़र जो धूप का किया तो ये तजुर्बा हुआ. वो ज़िंदगी ही क्या जो छाँव-छाँव चली. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, astounding evening. Thank you.